everybody, welcome back to my channel and another video of architectural drawing. In this video I'll draw a building in isometric view based on curves. For each drawing in isometric view I always start with the cube. After that I apply some changes on it and I'll reach the final shape. Actually final building I mean. As you see today I want to draw an isometric form that firstly I draw a clear cube. Okay, I draw every side of cube and after that I wanna apply some changes on it. I divide the length of the cube to 3 parts. I should draw the heights too because it's 3-dimensional drawing. There are 6 vertical lines as height of the cube. Here, after division of the length, I should divide the width of the cube to 2 parts. So there are another 2 vertical lines too as a height. I connect these lines to each other. Now the cube height should be divided to 2 parts. And I draw some horizontal lines for division. According to this division, I draw curves and the result will be interesting. The minimum and maximum points are landmarks. They are a good guide in drawing curves. In this part, I decide to draw a higher curve. I think it's better. In this 3-dimensional drawing, I should draw the thickness of this curved surface, and in each 3-dimensional drawing, I always emphasize that each surface has a thickness, so don't forget drawing it. For showing the elevation and depression of this surface, I draw some lines. All of these lines should be controlled by surrounding curves, and do it carefully. Imagine the surface is a roof of building, then I draw the building height and other sides. Here there is a wall that it's a little bit receded, so you can see the depth of this side. It's time to draw the steps. I love drawing 3-dimensional steps. I think it's enjoyable. Firstly, I draw the steps box. I determine the steps slope. Then I draw each step one by one. Here on the ground floor, there are steel structures, the columns, the ruler steel bracings, and so on. I'll just drawing the general outlines and I don't need more details. For showing the topography, I draw some lines and brows, crests, and these are the hills surrounding the building. Windows frame are the most common lines in each drawing, include vertical and horizontal lines. Here I add some diagonal lines for light reflection and showing glass texture. Oh, it's time to draw some people. People in each sketching help us to find out the scale. And I draw two people that they're standing on the ground, and here there are three people that they are standing in front of the window. So good, let's draw some pine trees. I choose black and dark gray for pine trees. I draw them so simple with just one marker. That's a fast technique. Trees are a good option for filling vacant spaces around buildings, and you can use different models of them according to the weather condition or season that you want to show. Now for shadows, I imagine the light shines from the right side, so according to it I draw shadows. I draw some shadows by gray and some of them by black marker. Most of the time ground floor should be darker, and under the stairs should be darker too. As you see, I draw some other shadows by gray marker. For example, people's shadow on the Yes, here's that amazing result. Everybody, thanks for watching my video. If you like it, comment on and subscribe my channel. Hope you enjoy. Have a good time and see you soon.